what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer and you're just joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Tiger Ambush. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Remy Mattison. I'd love to have you join this family. So I'm just going to jump right into today's video. I usually take forever in my intro, so I'm not trying to do a really long intro this time. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be another shuffle tutorial. Yay! We love our shuffle tutorials on my channel. We are hardcore ravers, die-hard ravers on my channel. Today I'm going to take you through two variations of a spin. This is a very easy to do beginner spin for shuffling. I'm going to show you two different variations. So if you're about that, hop up, place your phone somewhere where you can see it, get up on your feet, get all warmed up, and let's get started.
Let's get started. So the first spin I'm going to show you is a single heel spin. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick one leg, plant your heel to the ground while picking up the other leg, swinging it around, and doing the spin. So let's break it down. So with your dominant leg, plant your foot on the ground, dig your heel into the ground. With the other leg, you're going to pick it up, swing it around, and pivot on your dominant foot. And that's essentially the spin. It's pretty easy to do. So again, plant your heel using the momentum from your other leg that's swinging around, spin around. Once you got the hang of that, try your other leg. So plant your other foot, which is, let's say, your less dominant foot, on the ground, dig your heel in, pick up your other leg, swing it around, holding it close to the body. When you master the single leg spin, you can incorporate it in your shuffling, your running man. And here are just a few other ways I'm showing the single heel spin in shuffle combos and shuffle variations. Really, it's a fun move. You can put it anywhere in a routine and it'll work. So now moving on to the second beginner spin. This is just a step and tap. For this spin, we're also pivoting on one foot. So again, you're going to start with your dominant foot, plant it on the ground. Typically, you'd put the weight on your heel. And what you're going to do with the other foot, you're going to pick it up. And instead of swinging it around like in the first one, you're going to periodically tap it. So you have 4 directions of your body. Basically, you're going to tap it 4 times. So like I said, starting on your heel and your dominant foot, you're going to pick up the other leg and tap it. When you tap your other leg, you can tap your toe or your heel. If you prefer your pivoting foot to be on your toe, you can also do that. It works both ways. So you can have your dominant foot pivot on your toe or your heel, but as long as the other leg is up and swinging around and then tapping. So now let's try it out with some shuffle combos and incorporate it into our running man.
And that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that was a really helpful tutorial. If you got it, good for you. I'm so freaking proud of you. Make sure you post your videos on Instagram or TikTok and tag me at Remy Mattison. Give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't, subscribe because it was kind of rude if you haven't subscribed so far. And like I said in my last video,
I will find you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. See you in a couple days.